Hello. Your why you want or need to declutter will always be your greatest motivation to push through the difficult times, to finish what you have started when you declutter, because sometimes it does get difficult. And each one of our whys, why we want or need to declutter, may look different. There are many different reasons why you could want to declutter, and today we will look at a few of these. But first, thank you for joining me today, and please like my page if you're on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also remember, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and please share it with your family and your friends so that it can help them too.
So the big question is, how do women like us, who are wearing so many different hats each day, and who don't cheat by looking like we have everything under control, take back our homes and life, free from the chains of clutter? How do we simplify, get started, get unstuck, let things go and create more time, so that we can truly focus on what is essential for a happy and healthy life with our loved ones? That is the question, and this show will give you the answers. My name is Lizelle Tenton, and welcome to the Vanilla Essence Show.
Our why to declutter might not be the same, and it will most probably not be the same as the person next to you. But your why will always be your greatest motivation to keep going. And that is why it is so important to understand why you want or need to declutter. So we will chat through a few whys, and as we do, see if you can relate to any of these. There may even be more than one reason why you want or need to declutter. Number one, to reduce the stress in your life and in your home. Clutter causes stress, and being surrounded by too much stuff all of the time causes stress. Our outer environments, our homes and our office, the way that things looks like around us has an enormous effect on our inner environment, our bodies, our minds, and our moods. Clutter affects our ability to focus and to concentrate, which means we get less done, which in return creates stress because we are all already so pressured for time. And being surrounded by the chaos that clutter can cause can make us feel like we are not in control of our day, our life, our home, and our work. And that also leads to increased levels of stress. Number two, to create more space. Now, this might sound like a very obvious reason, but still, a very good reason why you might want to declutter. You want to create more space wherein you can live and move and breathe and create new memories with your loved ones. Maybe your home has even become a safety hazard because of all the clutter that's being piled everywhere, and you're afraid that someone might get hurt, tripping or falling over something. Number three, you want more peace. Now, when we are surrounded by too much stuff, we cannot think properly. And some of us can't even operate at all. I mean, we feel like we are in overdrive all of the time because everywhere we look, we just see things that needs to be done or need to be sorted. Declutter and getting rid of everything unnecessary that you don't need, don't use, or that is not adding any value to your life can increase your peace of mind. We need to have peace to be able to rest and sleep properly. Number four, you are tired of forever looking for things. How much time do you waste looking for stuff that you need because you have no idea where it is between all of the clutter? Just imagine a decluttered, organized space where everything in your home has a specific designated place where it belongs and where you will immediately find it when you are looking for it. Now that sounds like a good reason to declutter. Number five, to increase productivity and efficiency. Now, the less time you have to spend looking for stuff between the clutter, the more time you will have to get the more important things done that need to get done. So you will be more productive and efficient. And because you can focus better in a clean and organized environment, you will get so much more done with that time that you do have available. Number six, it makes it easier to clean and look after your home. It is just so much easier to clean and maintain a decluttered home, and you will also save so much time and energy. Less time cleaning also means more time for the things that you really want to do and that you never have time for. Number seven, you want to invite friends and family over. Clutter can steal so much from us, even relationships. And that is really sad. I mean, some of us feel so embarrassed by the way that our homes look like, and we don't want to invite people over because we are scared of what they might think or even say, their judgment or their criticism. So we rather just stay alone, unhappy, and unfulfilled. I mean, we all need people and friends and relationships in our lives to thrive. And decluttering your home and taking back control of your environment can help you to restore these relationships. Number 8, you want to spend less and save more money. When you declutter, you become more intentional and mindful about the stuff that you let into your home. And then you'll probably find that you'll spend less on stuff that you don't really need or want. And you'll begin to find other ways to make yourself happy instead of a trip to the shops again. And also, you are more aware of what you have, and therefore you won't buy unnecessary stuff or even duplicates of what you already have. Number 9, to live a more grateful and fulfilled life. Now, being grateful for what you have and focusing on what's important to you and your family is so important, but easily forgotten in today's consumerist world. And when we're used to having lots of stuff, then we often don't fully appreciate what we already have. So by getting rid of that which is not important and which is not adding any value to your life, it becomes easier to be grateful for what you have. And that leads to a more happier and fulfilled life. Number 10, health reasons. Now, clutter causes dust and sometimes a lot of dust, which can be very bad for anyone struggling with respiratory diseases or asthma. It can even be the cause of the development of these diseases. So these are only a few very basic reasons why you might want or need to declutter. To reduce stress, to create more space, for more peace, you are tired, for looking for things, for increased productivity, to make it easier to clean your home, to entertain again, to spend less, to be grateful, or for health reasons. Write your reason why you want or need to declutter on a piece of paper and stick it somewhere where you will see it every day to remind you why it is so important to get going and take back control of your home and your life. Thanks again for joining me today. Please like my page on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also remember, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and please share it with your family and your friends so that it can help them too.